Hello everyone, welcome back. Recently, Apple released a big update of iOS 16 is iOS 16.4. But this update have a annoying Instagram bug, that is Instagram video with no sound. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this issue that we can get back the Instagram videos with the sound. So without wasting any time, let's get started. That we have to tap and hold the App Store and a menu will appear and we have to tap on updates. Here we have to check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update the Instagram app first. Could be this is the Instagram compatibility issue with iOS 16.4. So before doing anything, we have to update the Instagram app. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then what we have to do, launch settings. Here we have to tap on Journal and tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap Reset and tap Reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm. Then go back to Journal and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. That's it. With this simple and easy step, you will get rid of this issue. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.